Hello, my name is Mark Holmes. I'm the editorial director of Via Satellite. I'm on the show floor at Satellite 2017. I'm delighted to be joined today by Aidan Doran, who is the product manager at Carlisle Interconnect Technologies. Aidan, could you firstly tell us a little bit about Carlisle Interconnect Technologies?
So Carlisle was founded about 75 years ago with a focus on interconnect solutions. The markets are aerospace, military, medical, and test and measurement. Last year, Microcoax, I'm a product manager for the space product. I've been with Microcoax for 18 years. Microcoax is one of the, I won't say newest, but newer acquisitions for Carlisle Technologies, and our focus on the space market has made Carlisle even stronger to support space and space customers.
And tell us about how Carlisle supports the space market.
Well, as the name says, the Interconnect Technologies, so we interconnects with RF coaxial cables, RF connectors, fiber optic wire, which is now starting to make some inroads with technologies within the space market, high-speed digital wire, which we are now integrating into a space requirements. But it's not so much the product that we're delivering. I would say Carlisle is where we service the customer as well. We're not just there delivering a product, we're also there each day working with our customers. We like to say we partner with our customers to bring a solution to them.
And what are the advantages of your products in this particular market?
Well, for the RF coaxial cables, we have a unique product known as Aricon. So we deliver a lightweight solution, which we all know weight is becoming more critical as the satellites are becoming smaller, speeds need to increase. There's also the products are very stable. So some of the manufacturing techniques and proprietary design solutions that we've incorporated into our product has really helped our contacts, our end users, in kind of relieving them of any concerns of reliability when they are working with the Carlisle product.
And can you tell us about some of the successes you've had in this market?
Sure, absolutely. I think one of the biggest ones was supporting the Galileo program for ESA, where we had not just low power RF cables going into that satellite, but we had a high power coaxial cable solution that most manufacturers were not even or bidding or attempting to promote. We were able to not only guarantee the performance, but show with engineering services through thermal simulation. Also, again, partnering with our customers, knowing what those very important inputs are into the simulations to guarantee that when the product was integrated, it was going to work. So it was a high confidence, not just with the product, but with the engineering services we were providing before even starting.
And can you tell us about some of the challenges that your customers are facing in this market?
Well, I think the biggest one now is the competition that's in the market. It's time to market with their product and how that's expanded. So some of the design to launch solutions had to happen in 26 months, some in 18 months, and of course that flows down to the component manufacturers as well. So we have to partner with them very early and understand what their needs are and get not just the capacity in place, but the materials. And of course now with these expanding orbits, low Earth orbits, with the technologies, I would say the innovation that's occurring that's putting pressure on everyone in the market, that we're going to respond to that as well. They come up with our standard solutions, but we're going to have to trim costs. So there's going to be some challenges there for our customers and for us.
And just sort of one final question, where do you see this market heading in the next 5 years?
Well, expanding on what we were just talking about, the innovation that's occurring. So the market is, I would say, becoming expanded in competition, but also compressed in what has to be delivered. So from the satellites decreasing in size, but also increasing in what it has to deliver once it's in orbit, and the expansion in frequencies. There's going to be a lot of I say response, being able to deliver a stable and reliable product that's going to work in these expanded frequencies. Now, the lifespan of these satellites may not be as long, so that's where the costs have to be trimmed as well. So,
okay. Aidan, I really appreciate your time this morning. This is Aidan Duran, the product manager of Carlisle Interconnect Technologies. This is Mark Holmes, the editorial director of Via Satellite.